Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own do-it-yourself paper stump. If you want to be fancy, the real name of these are called Tortillon, but I prefer to just call them Stumps, just for ease of speaking. But they are actually tortillons. These are great for working with any type of smudgeable medium, pastels, graphite. Anything that you can smudge well, these are just about an essential tool. This is a great exercise for classrooms as well, just because they tend to get destroyed, and so it's great to learn how to make your own and be accountable for your own stump. Alright, so the dimensions on this is 2 3/4 inch across, and then the length of a regular sheet of paper. The end there was about 4 inches and about an inch there on the top. By the way, the dimensions don't have to be extremely precise. I think the most important dimension is the width there at 2 3/4 inch. Seems to be just about the right width for the paper. So a good strategy here is to start rolling the paper up between your thumb and forefinger as tightly as you can, and then at some point just roll the entire paper up to give it a curl there. Then unravel it and start again. And you will start to feel that the paper is really getting tight there in the end, and it's really starting to roll really tightly. Once you start feeling that, start to roll it one last time towards its final roll up here. And your objective here is to try to get the paper to have just the slightest taper. That is, you want it to start forming this tiny little cone shape on the end. This does take a little bit of practice. If your cone shape ends up sort of growing too quickly, your stump will become too long. Don't fear though, all you have to do is unravel it and try again. Matter of fact, in this video, I rolled it up and unraveled it several times and just edited it out. So even I had done that a few times. The good news is the more times you do that, the better your stump will be, the tighter it will be. To finish it off, you just poke your pencil there in the end, and that buttons it down. Here's another version here in newspaper. The advantage of the newspaper is newspaper can be cut into much longer strips, and you can get a little bit of a hardier version of a stump. Okay, same exact technique. You're going to roll it up once, unroll it, and then start to get that slight taper there growing there on the end, and just keep rolling it up. And it's fun to make a few of these. I ended up making 4 of these just practicing. They all came out with slightly different shapes on them. This one here has a real strong point to it, but I actually prefer the ones that are almost more like a beehive looking end there. That one's very much like a sharpened pencil. You can see they work excellent. I do actually prefer the lined paper because the paper did have a heavier weight to it, and the stump has a stronger and more sturdier feel, where the newsprint stump feels like I could just smush it down if I push too hard. Alright guys, well thanks for tuning in, and good luck making your own do-it-yourself paper stumps. Thanks for watching.